What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Leave a comment telling me that you guys are a new subscriber to my channel, because once I hit 250 subscribers, I'm going to be giving a special person from the comment section that I pick a special something. So make sure, if you're new, subscribe. I drop stock market videos all the time, entrepreneurship videos, Amazon FBA videos to come. Update on that coming. And yeah, let's just hop right into the topic of this video, guys. As you read in the title, I'm going to be doing a $500 stock market challenge. So pretty much the whole thing behind this is that me and my girlfriend, there's a little backstory behind it. I'm just going to tell it to you guys really quick. So me and my girlfriend are going on a vacation sometime during the summer. We don't really know yet, and we've been saving money, you know, like putting money aside periodically for this vacation. And she gave me $500 that she wants to put aside for the vacation. I figured, hey, why not make it a cool little challenge where I take this $500 that she gives me, and obviously I got permission from her to do this, and she said, yeah, go for it. But if I do lose it, I'm gonna have to pay for the half that I lost. But I don't think I'm gonna lose it. I'm confident that I can make money out of it. So the whole thing I want to do with this is take the $500 and invest it, and pretty much document every thing that I invest in, every stock that I invest in, ETF, whatever I invest that money with. I want to document it on this channel and pretty much just see how I can grow this $500 before summertime hits. Let's see if I could turn it into, let's say, maybe $2,000. Let's see if I can 4x this money by the time summer comes. So I just wanted to document this whole journey, like I said, and feel free to any of the subscribers watching, if you guys want to do something like this too. It doesn't have to be $500. It can be literally $100, $200, whatever you guys have aside that you can invest. Just do it with me, guys. It doesn't have to be for any specific reason. It's kind of fun, you know, to see how you can turn $500, a smaller amount of money, right, into maybe a bigger amount, 4x, my goal being $2,000. So let's see if we can do it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy stuff like this. I think it's going to be pretty cool. I'm probably just going to update you guys weekly on how this is going. But right now, I'm in DGAS 20 shares at about $23. I got in 23.10. And let's see how that goes. I'm planning on selling around $30. I have a limit order to sell at $30, and that'll give me about $100-something profit, and we'll be at like $600. But I'm going to be documenting that, so hope you guys enjoy that. Make sure to drop a like, leave a comment on this video, and subscribe. Like I said in the beginning, make sure to drop a comment if you're a new subscriber, because once I hit 250 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so make sure you're tuning in on that. Follow me on Instagram at Stas_surfs_entrepreneurship. Link down below in the description. Hope you guys have a great day out there. Let's make some money today, guys. Peace!